This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone. Charge it and clear a little space so the live wallpaper can cache frames. Once done, open Settings and tap Wallpaper to begin. This is faster than searching the home screen. You need to grant permission for media and live wallpapers so the system can access animations. This is why we clear storage first. Tap the Live Wallpapers option to view built-in and installed choices, and be ready to select an animation or a video as the source. Now you choose the actual wallpaper. You can pick a built-in animated option or tap Gallery to use a short video or GIF. This gives you more personalization. Once selected, preview it on lock and home screens and tweak motion intensity so it looks smooth without draining battery. If using a video, trim it under 10 seconds and set loop on. Disable sound to avoid interruptions. Make sure any battery saver exclusions are set so the animation runs consistently. Apply the wallpaper to the home screen, lock screen, or both and watch it come alive. Apply is the final step that commits your settings. If the animation doesn't start right away, restart the launcher or the phone to reset the display service. If issues persist, check that battery saver isn't restricting background animations and confirm permissions for storage and live wallpaper are granted. This fixes most problems. If stuttering continues, lower motion intensity or use a shorter, lower resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.